got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What you running there, man?
A couple of ZV6s on a Sundown 8K. Just waiting for her to boot up.
Okay. Everything yourself?
Yes.
It was hard loading them subs.
Most of it. I had a friend build the box.
It was hard loading them subs, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, 100 pounds a piece.
Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. Especially trying to invert them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You on social media anywhere?
Just my club, Tectonic Loads. It's on the back of the truck.
Okay. Yeah, I sure appreciate it, man. It was good seeing you, man. What's the next show you'll be attending? You be
there's one in Orlando in next weekend, I believe.
Yeah.
At Dieselland.
Okay, hopefully I better get back down this way, man. And,
Where are you from?
I'm up in Tennessee. Yeah, about 14-hour ride, but I had to come see y'all, man.
I started in Philadelphia.
Really?
Back in 1992.
You been OG. You been doing this a while. You didn't just get started.
I forgot more about audio than most people will ever know.
Yeah.
It's a 24-year-old Honda with 210,000 miles.
Still riding good.
Daily.
You can drive it anywhere.
Daily.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.